I remembered bringing my camera this time. That's a runt, Steve.
That's good enough.
You just can't go over a certain number of hours.
Jeff, number one.
Number one, a little bigger than Steve's. There's Steve's got his number 2. Another runt.
Runt number 2.
Good. Hold him up. Let me get. You swallow it.
Yeah.
Number 1 for Mark. Well, they're getting bigger, Steve. Number 3 for Steve. He got to be 10 inches. Well, this is number 2 landed. The other number 2 got away.
See up there.
Okay. Get him to jump again for the camera. There we go. He's close to a keeper.
He's a performer. Huh?
He's
a performer. Jeff.
There you go. Number 4 for Steve. He's close to a foot. Yeah, I got a runt. Number 3 for me. That's why. If Steve touches this will be number 5 for him. Can he get it in? Can he get this fast to the shore? He's putting up a hell of a fight. Number 4. Keeper. What's this? 6? 5 or 6? 6. If Steve touches this one, it's 6 for him.
That's where the one that can eat my minnows, Jeff.
That's a keeper. He'd been caught too. Look, he got a little bit of rash on his jaw. Number 5. Mark got a keeper, number 2.